Hello there, my friend, and welcome to day number 11 of this content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by giving you ideas of content to create for 30 days to help you generate business for your opportunity, to generate leads for your business. Okay. So, as usual, feel free to clone my content, make it your own. And if you've missed out on the other videos, then there's a link in the description of a playlist where I go from day 1 to day 30. So I'm almost more than a third way in now, day 11. Now, if you're interested in learning more from my 7-figure coaches and mentors, stick around to the very end because I have some exciting gifts for you, okay? So today, what I want you to talk about is the support that your opportunity offers to your members, okay? Because one of the reasons that people go from, they have the shiny object, they go from program to program, is that they feel like they don't have the right support. They feel overwhelmed, frustrated and confused, and just don't know who to ask. So you can create a video just like this, pointing out the support that your system has. So I am so blessed to be part of a system that offers that support is key, right? There's so many points of contact for support. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and share with you the type of supports that you will get when you become a member of the Legacy Builder program. So as a member, you get access to 2 sites. This is the first site where you get access to all your training, and you get access to your bonus material here as well, okay? So you do have to set up your system in the beginning. All you have to do is watch videos and apply what you're learning. However, if you are not tech savvy at all and you're struggling to follow the instructions, then click here, Done for You Tech Services, where you can actually just go ahead and pay our team to do the tech part, to set up everything for you, okay? So you just follow those instructions. Now, if you don't want to pay, right, and you have the different questions that come up along the way, then you have access to a bonus site. This is a second site, completely separate to this site, where you get access to a community of over 37,000 members. These are paid members that are in this community, 37,163. Now, let me show you how you can get support here. The first thing that you can do is you can go to Calendar, and Calendar every single week, we have different trainings. Like today is the 30th of August. We have this free webinar on here, right? But you can only ask questions that are relevant to that webinar, okay? You're allowed to unmute yourself. But let me show you, like this week on Tuesday, we had a tech support call. So if you're trying to set things up and you're coming across technical issues, you can attend this webinar and ask your questions and be able to be helped in real time, okay? Where else? I think we have the tech call here on Thursday as well. So this week we had it twice, right? Where you can come on here and ask all your tech skills. By the way, the other like mentoring live trainings, you can unmute yourself, but you can only ask questions that are relevant to that particular training. This is so important, right? So if it's mentoring and she's mentoring on social media, you can ask questions about social media, whatever social media account she's training on, okay? So this is a second point of call. The third here is a classroom where you can get access to different replays, right? So all the tech replays are there, mentoring replays. We have a content vault there. You can download content and upload to your social media. We have all the social media training here. We have a 90-day success sprint where Michelle sends us a video every single day and walks us through what we need to do on that day. So you can see here, day 51, I have to watch this video. I haven't watched it yet. And what I do is after I watch it, I can tick here to say I've watched it, right? And if I like any video or I like all the videos, but if I need to go back to a video, I just untick it. That way I can see, oh, that's the video I need to go back to. I need to take action on what she was talking about, right? So lastly, the community. This is the last point of call for you getting answers to your questions. One of the things that you can do is you can come here in the search button. So I'm going to just hit my name here, okay? So, but you can search for whatever technical issue that you want to search, whatever question you have, you can actually search for it and videos will come up. So the reason I hit search here is I want to show you, like I've asked 2 questions while I've been here. Okay, I've asked 2 questions and I want to see if I can see my post. So because I'm engaging in comments, I was hoping they'll just show the posts, right? I asked 2 questions and I'll show you how I did that. And members of our community answered me almost straight away, because you can see there's 342 members. There's always members on here, okay? So, okay, my post, there's 8 pages here, so I'm not gonna go through the 8 pages, but let me make it more practical then, okay? You can search for, let me see, maybe TikTok. You can narrow it down, just like Google, right? You can narrow down your search, right? Let's see, I'm just gonna put TikTok. I'm gonna make it broad, right? So you can see all the stuff that's been, that has TikTok heading on it or in the description. You can see everything here, okay? So very, very powerful. And you can go to Classroom and then you can see here whatever videos have TikTok in them, right? So we have more than one, but that one's showing up there, okay? So you can search here whatever you want to search, treat like Google, and then if that's been asked before, you'll be able to get answers. Let me just search one more: payment, setting up payment links, for instance. Let's just make it more practical, right? So here you can see here all the questions that have been asked about setting up your payment links, and you have videos that are live streams, videos that have been there as well, okay? The last thing that you can do if you have a question in this community, we're going to cross that out. Oh, sorry. So you can see in Classroom and you can see in the community as well. Okay, looking for pics for setting up payment links, people struggling to set up payment links. So you have people there helping you out. But let's go back to our community here. The last thing that you can do is you can actually click on these different, like here, tech support and Kajabi. Only posts with tech support and Kajabi will come in, right? You can see there's a similar question. Social media, you can go there, social media, and see all the posts. But lastly, you can just come in here to write something. So you type out your question. This is what I did, by the way, and I was able to get answered straight away, right? And then click here the category, right? So this is, you see here, social media is highlighted. Ask social media questions and share social media wins. Shout out. So there's different categories here: general discussion, Kajabi and support. So if you have a tech question, this is where you ask it. If you have social media, so you just ask your question, post it, and one of the communities who are live, 351, will answer your questions right there. Now, the last way for you to get support is through your sponsor, okay? Your sponsor in any opportunity is your link, the link between you and the opportunity. So if you've exhausted all options, go to your sponsor, and your sponsor should be able to point you in the right direction. They don't need to have the answers, but they should at least know who does have the answers or where to go to find the answers, right? So support is extremely important in any opportunity for retention, okay? So if you are interested, if this sounds like a great video to create, go ahead and create it, especially if your company has loads of support. Otherwise, if you are looking to learn more about our step-by-step blueprint that thousands are using to make money, to start a digital business and make money, then I want to invite you to grab your free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide, right? It's in the description. Check your email, because when I send you that guide, I'm going to give you access to a free version of a community just like this one, right? Where you can go in there, ask any question that you might have, meet other people. And here, I just highlighted the wins section here. I just want to finish off this video by sharing wins, right? Danelle, 2 hours ago, congratulations. That Friday feeling, she's celebrating, right? She is after making $700 this morning. She made a $300 sell, another $300 and $100 sell. Congratulations to her. Christy, 9 hours ago, I have made $11,700 in my first 3 weeks. Congratulations, Christy. If you have been following my posts and wins since I launched my website August 8th, you'll know that these sales all came through Facebook, okay? So she's looking for new ways to actually build. Tony Hobbs, okay, Hobbs, 41 minutes ago, congratulations. $1,500 for the week, $4,100 for the month, and 257 leads. Congratulations, okay? The leads were pouring in this week. I'm 61, not tech savvy. Follow the blueprint and stay consistent. Congratulations, Tony. First TikTok live. I'm looking for the financial gains to share with you because that's actually what you want, right? Let's see. What was it? I'm almost a dollar millionaire. Desiree, 29 days ago, right? I cannot believe it. I've made millions in my own currency, South African rands, and I've been doing this for 11 months, right? And she's almost a dollar millionaire, y'all. Congratulations. Imagine being a dollar millionaire in South Africa, okay? Joy, 17 hours ago. Woot, ding, ding. 1,600 so far this week, and it's only Thursday. I feel so blessed and thankful every day for this opportunity and what it's been able to help me do for my children, okay? Joy, congratulations. Well done. Jenna Moore, a day ago, ding, ding. $300 ding today from Barry, okay? From our conversation, Barry's going to do an amazing on his journey to becoming financially free. Welcome to the community. I can't wait to watch your journey, okay? Kevin, 8 hours ago, another 1,800 day, another 1,800 day, and this is only week 3. It works if you work it. Congratulations, absolutely. And Melissa, 4 hours ago, my first $100 sale. Woo, I'm so happy. It might have taken me longer than others to get here, but I finally did it. Congratulations. She purchased on the 3rd of July, and today, the 30th of August, made my first sale of $100. Congratulations, okay? My first sale, Kelly Matson, 11 hours ago. After two-ish months working full-time and doing my best, doing the best my schedule could allow me to give my online business, I made my first $900 sale. Congratulations. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. Last day at 9 to 5. Corky. Today is my last day at 9 to 5. I purchased a 20 package 2 months ago, and now I've decided to let go of my job and focus on my business. I haven't made any sales yet, but I believe I know what I'm doing because this is what the system gives you, right? You get to learn the skills to build a digital marketing business, right? So congratulations, Cocky, for doing that. First lead, first dozen lead, trending video, 15K in 4 months. Matt, a day ago, I've been crazy. It's been a crazy journey. Keep going, everyone. Don't give up on yourself. I know it can be hard sometimes. Congratulations. Let me see what the screenshot has here on it. Yeah, gross volume of 16,695, right? Previous period has 1,419. Okay, so this is showing screenshot taken today. Absolutely amazing. And yeah. 12 sales August. Yeah, so we learned to set goals. 12 goals means the highest package means $10,800. Oh my God, 58 days in, and I set a goal for myself that I wanted to make 12 sales in the month of August. I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. I was in doubt, but one thing I learned, right? So congratulations, well done. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link to claim your free copy of a 10K guide, because we have a group of like-minded entrepreneurs who every single day are crushing it, sharing their income proofs. This program is changing lives, right? So I invite you to take a look at it. And when you get the email from me, make sure you join our private community so that you can ask any questions that you have, because support is key, right? That you need to have the right support, the right sponsor to help you, point you in the right direction. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.